Hey guys, as you may have already known, Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is back, which is kind of confusing. I feel like it tried to rebrand itself last time around to being called Ulta Semi-Annual Beauty Event. And last time I think they also wanted to only preview a few of the deals. I think they reverted back to the previous branding this time around, the 21 Days of Beauty name, and also showcasing everything. So yeah, not really sure what that whole inconsistency was about, but yeah, it's back and I want to share some of the items that I'm interested in. Hopefully it help advises or informs what you decide to purchase or is helpful in some sort of way. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so it already started actually yesterday, so I'm just going to do today through next week. So for today's deals, I am interested in the Lancome Teint Idole foundation. I use that regularly, so at 50% off, that's a great deal. I also going to skip the Clinique lipstick in Black Honey. I know that's been like a viral hit, but actually I own one and I don't really like the color, to be honest. I'm also interested in the philosophy fragrances, especially warm cashmere. I don't know why, that just smells to me like the holidays. It literally smells like cinnamon, vanilla, all the holiday goodness, and I love using it as soon as the fall transition happens. Also the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Cream. That one also I think is a good deal. It's great for skincare. Okay, moving on to the next day. Okay, so for Sunday and Monday, what I'm interested in is, funny enough, I actually used to be interested in the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but I feel like it's actually kind of clumpy, so I've been kind of moving away from it, and now my go-to is the Lancome Hypnose Drama Waterproof Mascara, so I might pass on that. Also, the Ariana Grande God is a Woman perfume looks pretty interesting. I've heard lots of good things about her perfume, but I've mostly heard it about the cloud one, so I wish it was the cloud one instead, because I am interested to try that one. So I don't know, I mean, I might pass on that since I'm already going to be buying the Philosophy fragrance. Moving on to Monday, the Ren Beauty lip oils look pretty interesting. I have only used the Ren Beauty highlighter in lavender, which I love. So I actually am interested in her cosmetic line, but I'm not sure. But the lip oils look interesting. Also, I saw a beauty influencer talk about the Tarte Cheek Plum. So that also looks interesting to me as well. But to be honest, I don't think I want to buy anything because I am trying to only buy things that I for sure feel like I'm going to use. Makeup does add up, so that's just my personal what I'm going to probably be doing. Okay, moving on to Tuesday and Wednesday. I personally will probably buy some of the Chi, I think is how you pronounce it, hair products. I think their leave-in conditioners work really well in just keeping my hair soft and smooth. Let's see, what else am I interested in? I've heard a lot of good things actually about the Kiehl's eye treatment with avocado. Probably not going to buy it, but if you were in the market looking for some good eye creams or skincare, I think that might be a good purchase. In terms of Wednesday, I'm actually not really interested. Oh, I think the Clinique, I love all Clinique skincare. I think it's great that it's very moisturizing and fragrance free, especially me, I have very sensitive skin. I'm probably going to pass on that. I recently just bought a Clinique moisturizer, so probably going to pass on some of these. Okay, moving on to the next set. Okay, for Thursday, I mean, I've heard really good things about Benefit mascara, but I kind of feel like my go-to right now is a Lancome Hypnose Drama, so I think I'm going to be good with that. I don't know what Polite Society is though. Sounds very interesting. I would buy the Clinique concealer, but I actually just bought it recently. So sometimes Macy's, they have these kind of spur of the moment random 40 to 50% off beauty sales. So that's when I kind of went ahead and bought some concealer, so I'm good on that. Okay, it looks like I'm not going to be buying anything on Thursday. For Friday, let's see. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be buying anything on Friday either, which is kind of a good thing. I feel like then I'm going through the week without really spending all that much. Okay, so now moving into Saturday and Sunday. I heard some good things about the, I don't really know how to pronounce it, the St. Laurent perfume, but I don't think I'm going to be buying it. But let me know if you actually own that perfume and it smells good. Some of those perfumes I feel like are very overbearing and they smell too strong. Oh, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, that's a really good one. But I feel like I recently just bought some Lancome toners, so I don't know if I need that many toners. But that one, actually, I just finished using mine and it worked really well. Let's see. Don't think I see anything else I want to buy for Saturday. And in terms of Sunday, oh, I might just have to buy some Urban Decay eyeshadow primers. That's a classic. And I feel like it really does make sure like your makeup stays intact the whole day. Let's see. Was that I think those are some... Oh, Fenty Beauty liquid lipsticks. Those look really nice. I have to be honest with you guys. I don't think liquid lipsticks work very well for me. So I don't know if I'm going to using those. Like, I think the one time I got the Stila liquid lipstick and it was such a pain to remove. Okay, I think that's about it. I'm not going to really buy too many things next week, which is, I guess, is a good thing. But yeah, I'll be returning and then I'll go over the next following week. So stay tuned for that upload and definitely want to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know if you find this Ulta 21 Days of Beauty exciting this time around, or you think they've had better deals. I saw like a few things that piqued my interest. I think like later down the line they had some like Rem Beauty liquid eyeshadows, which look really interesting to me. But other than that, nothing really excited me off the bat. But okay, stay tuned. I'll be returning next week and then I'll review the following week. So thanks for watching.